Financial illiteracy. Today, many people earn a good income, yet they still run out of money. At the end of every month, the same question appears: where did my money go? The problem is not low income, it is financial illiteracy. Today, we will talk about this and understand why it can seriously affect your future. What is financial illiteracy? Financial illiteracy is the inability to manage money. It is not just about not saving, it is about not understanding how money works, planning income, controlling expenses, investing, and using debt wisely. Many people ignore this, but it is a hidden problem. Why is it so common? We learn mathematics in school, but we don't learn how to manage money. Most people learn through experience, and mistakes in this area can be expensive. Advertisements push us to spend more. Society values appearance over stability. Key signs. There are several signs of financial illiteracy: spending without a plan, constant debt, no savings, and the habit of saying, "I'll think about it later." If you recognize yourself here, you are not alone. The hidden danger. The biggest danger of financial illiteracy is that it is not immediately visible. It works slowly. Every wrong decision is a small hit, and over time, it becomes a serious problem. The psychological side. Many people manage money with emotions. When they are stressed, they spend. When they are happy, they spend again. This leads to impulsive decisions, and eventually, money gets out of control. The real cause. The problem is not money. The problem is knowledge. If you understand how to manage money, you can live a stable life even with a low income. On the other hand, a high income will not save you. Where the solution begins. The solution is simple, but requires patience. The first step is awareness. Where does your money come from, and where does it go? The second step is control. Understand every expense. The third step is planning. Write down your financial future. Simple habits. Big changes start with small habits. Save money every month. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Keep learning about money. It seems simple, but the results are powerful. Conclusion. Financial illiteracy is a problem, but it is a learnable problem. Anyone can learn how to manage money, and it leads to freedom. Start today with a small step. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, because here you will not only learn about money, but also about living a conscious life.